this is a snowplow, except that this airbus is going to be in the south, and they don't have any snow.
Won't push sand around.
New construction.
Yes. Yeah, new dirt. And this guy, he's going on duty to guard tower. Guard duty, 2-hour shift tonight. He's going to protect us.
We had no bullets in our
What, Georgie?
We had no bullets in our gun.
No bullets?
No.
Oh my God.
We was on boot camp.
No bullets.
Oh.
That's what they did to us in, when Martin Luther King got killed. They put us in Washington, D.C. During the riots with no ammunition.
Oh, jeez. That's not fair.
It wasn't fair. We had a fixed bayonet, and we couldn't touch anybody. If we touched anybody, it was no matter what, we were court-martialed automatically. Somebody could hit you in the head with a baseball bat, you had no right to hit them back.
It's called truck military.
Truck military?
That's what they read.
Oh, okay.
Boy, I want to go re-enlist. What about you, George? You want to sign up again?
Looks like I better sign up again if I wanted to accomplish anything.
You probably have one of those letters that excuses you for the rest of your life, don't you? Unless you want a desk job to shuffle paper somewhere.
I have a desk job to shuffle paper somewhere.
Nah, you want to be able to action this.